Good morning from the beautiful country of Panama. Nakakita na ba kayo ng Cayenne cherry fruit? Tadan! Here we go. Ito sila. Do you know, marami ka ring vitamins na makukuha kapag kumain kayo nito. So, I would like to show you kung anong taste nito. Soft, medyo tarchy, and a little bit sour, but mostly, if we choose the red color, it must be sweet and so good, guys. And it's juicy. It has a big seeds in the middle. Don't eat it. Instead, you can throw it away and let it grow. Masarap. For me, maiko-compare ko siya sa taste ng cashew. Cashew fruit. Sa Philippines, ganun-ganun yung ang kanya lasa. But this one is better because mas matamis-tamis siya kaysa sa cashew fruit. This one, tamis. Grabe. So, dito lang yan. Sa tabi lang ng chicken coop ko. Kaya, gusto kong tumambay dito para pipitas lang ako if I want. Thanks! Oh, red na red. I love you.